Hello students. So this video is all about homonuclear diatomic molecules. The molecules having two atoms of the same element are known as homonuclear diatomic molecules. Suppose there are two atoms, same two atoms, right? So this homonuclear same element are known as homonuclear diatomic molecules. And these two same atoms will form bond by sharing unpaired electron. When two atoms combine to attain inert gas configuration by sharing a pair of electrons. When two atoms combine to attain inert gas configuration by sharing a pair of electrons, it results in the formation of covalent bond between two atoms. So the covalent bond formation will take place between two atoms when they donate one electron which is unpaired. Element helium, it have atomic number 2, electronic configuration 1s2. Element lithium, atomic number 3 and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. Beryllium have electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. Boron atom have atomic number 5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Carbon atom have atomic number 6 and the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Nitrogen atom have atomic number 7 and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Oxygen atom have atomic number 8 and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Fluorine have atomic number 9 and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Neon have atomic number 10 and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So, as we can see in this table, the atomic orbitals involved to form bond 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. From the table above, atomic orbitals involved in the formation of this molecule are 1s, 2s and 2p. As you can see, the helium atom have atomic number 2 and the electronic configuration 1s2. So that element helium don't have unpaired electron. But in neon, atomic number 10 and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So this element also don't have unpaired electron. So it will exist as a gas. Fluorine atom have atomic number 9, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So as you can see, this 2p5, p orbital is half filled, more than half filled. So what will happen, it can take electron and form bond. From the table above, atomic orbitals involved in the formation of these molecules are 1s, 2s and 2p. Helium 2, helium molecule He2, helium. So as you can see, this is 1s orbital which contain 2 electrons, 1s2. Helium atom with atomic number 2 and electronic configuration 1s2 has 2 paired up electrons and has completely filled orbital in the outermost shell. Since there is no unpaired electron, bond formation by sharing of electron does not take place, and hence it is existing as monoatomic element in the form of gas. As you can see, this 1s orbital is completely filled, so there is no vacant place, and hence it will not form bond with other helium atom, and that's why it is existing as a monoatomic element in the form of gas. At normal condition, helium-2 is non-existent. Lithium molecule electronic configuration 1s2 2s1. So as we can see, 1s2 is completely filled and 2s1 it's half filled. 2s orbital is half filled, right? So lithium atom has one electron in its outermost shell, which may be shared with one of its neighbor, forming a normal 2-electron bond by ss overlap of two half-filled atomic orbitals. It exists as diatomic species in the gas phase. So this is 1s orbital which contain 2 electron, and this one is 2s orbital which contain 1 electron, right? So this lithium atom has 1 electron in its outermost shell, which may be shared with one of its neighboring, forming a normal 2-electron bond, right?